folks, I'm back to the old suspension again on the old 1990 Polaris. As you can tell, I'm redoing the hull because the hull was off center, so I'm redoing that. And in the process, I saw what happened to one of my boogie wheels. Get it out. There's a new one I just bought. That's the price. And this is the old one. Bearing's still good, but what is that? I was working on the slide suspension. I found that. She just popped right out and started shaving. So I had to go get one of these. It's not the best of shape. Neither is this one, but it's usable. Spins good. Don't lose my washer, but that's what I'm doing. Alrighty, folks. My part came in the other day for the drive axle, and I had to get a new bearing because this bearing here I showed you. And cut it apart to get at it. That piece is still good. I can keep that as a spare, but I opened it already. There's my bearing. Goes on the left hand side, and there's the retaining washer to keep it locked in. Slides on. There's a seal that goes behind this bearing, like this, on the bottom. There's my seal. There's my retaining clip. I change it because you never know, the other one may be weak. And also got a sticker. Isn't that cool? All balls racing. Okay, I put JB weld on it. I drilled her out. Hopefully the match is good. Well, the holes line up. Looks good. So all I have to do now is tighten them up. Well, it's back together. On one piece. I used, where is it? Oh, this stuff here, Ultra Seal. It's for electrical and all that, but keep the water out of your joints. I put the bolts in. I got one more bolt to do, and that's it. She's all square, lined up, tightened up. These are all tight. That's all tight. New bowling is on. Had to put a washer behind there because that was touching. Had to put one, pull that in. So everything's all turning fine. There's no play. We'll play that one, but that's I may have to replace that bearing. Maybe not. Others are the same. So a little play. It's only a snowmobile. So anyway, I'll double check these ones here. I'll do is just loosen up one side and check these. I got the spare bearings over there anyway. Over here. Got a spare bearing there, in there. And one in around here somewhere's out. Another spare bearing somewhere's. I just gotta find it. So, or go to the Green Diamond getting them more. But I have to check out this. It's got some play in it. I think she's ready to break, as you can see. Ain't supposed to have that. I don't think. I'm gonna take a look at it. See if it's alright. What I did, I took some electrical tape. Went around, taped around the diameter of it, circumference, and some tape on it, and it's in there. The only thing it's going to turn is the inside, not the outside. I'll keep it tight. Fixed it. Backyard mechanics, gotta love them. So all I need to do now is put on my sprockets and put it back together. Oh, I see why it's doing that. Oh, because I never got that tightened up. Ooh. I've got to tighten that up. And that one up. So the two bolts are tightened up. That's loose. I'm missing a washer in there. That's what's doing that. Yeah. So I gotta take that bolt out, put a washer in there. I'm missing a washer. Yeah, I did miss a washer. That's why that's flopping around. Yeah, I put it back together. And on this side too, I'm missing washers. Yep, because there's two washers on this one. I'm missing washers on that. That's why. So I gotta find some thin washers. And that will fix my wobble. Yeah, I didn't have any when I got the machine. I don't think I have any thin washers. I don't. No. I figured something out. None of those. No, they're all thick. Nope. I may have some of those, so I'll check those. See, I got tons of washers. Those are probably too small, but these ones here will probably work. Those ones there. These ones here will probably work. So I'm going to try to get that started and go from there. Okay, back to this suspension. Now, tight. I found the washers, put them in, and it's ready to go back into the machine. Once I get the sprockets put on. That motherfucker. That's about it for this. Ciao. Peace, 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 peace. Look at my dirty hands.